He will have to testify against his friend. Former attorney and lobbyist Carlos Fierro of Santa Fe was convicted of vehicular homicide for killing a pedestrian in a drunk driving crash 3 years ago. Now he has been ordered to testify against the passenger in his car, a former state cop who was in fact a state police officer at the time of the crash. The ruling by the judge was just made late this afternoon in Santa Fe. News 13's Selena Westervelt is live in the capital city.
To say that Carlos Fierro hasn't cooperated is an understatement, but today a judge granted a motion that will force him to testify, but it also grants him immunity.
He was a person with the law. How could he not stop Fierro after they hit my son? They left him broken in the street and didn't even think of stopping to help him or render him aid.
Rose Gomez Tenorio's son, William Tenorio, was the victim in the crash. Now, Fierro hit and killed Tenorio while he was crossing the street outside a Santa Fe bar. Today, Fierro appeared in shackles in front of Judge Michael Vigil, who made it very clear that Fierro will have to testify against former state police sergeant Alfred Lovato. Now, Lovato is charged with vehicular homicide because prosecutors say he didn't do enough to stop Fierro from driving drunk. It's an argument Lovato's defense attorney calls ridiculous.
We're told time and time again, if you're intoxicated or have had too much to drink, don't drive. It's exactly what Mr. Lovato did. And now he's being prosecuted for the actions of others.
Now, because Fierro will testify in the case, anything he says in pre-trial or the actual trial will not count against him in any future cases, and the trial is scheduled to start in February. Back to you.
All right, again, the judge ordered Fierro to testify and granted him immunity so that he cannot be prosecuted for any further for anything more he says. He is currently serving a 7-year state prison sentence.